Let's simplify 2 into x plus y for 1 mark, okay? So from here we can see that 2 is on its own. So we're going to multiply 2 with every term inside of this bracket. So it's going to be 2 times x, which is 2x, and then it's going to be 2 times y, which is positive 2y. And then you are done. So we're going to simplify x plus 2 times x plus 2 for 2 marks. We're going to use something which is called the FOIL method, okay? So the F stands for first terms, O stands for outer, I stands for inner, and then L stands for last. So we're going to multiply the first term, so it's x times x, which is x squared. Then you're going to multiply the outer terms, so x and 2 are outer, which is positive 2x. And then you're going to multiply the inner terms, 2 and x is inner over here, plus 2x, and then 2 and 2 are the last terms, so it's going to be a positive 4. Then you're going to see if there are any like terms, so you can see it's x squared alone, and then 2x plus 2x is positive 4x, and then plus 4. X minus y all squared for 2 marks, okay? So x minus y all squared is basically the same as x minus y times x minus y. Okay, and then we're going to use something which is called our FOIL method again. So it's the first terms, the outer, the inner, and then the last. So the first terms in this case is x times x, which is x squared. The outer terms, it's x times negative y, it's negative xy. The inner terms, it's negative xy again. The last terms, it's positive y squared, because a negative times a negative gives you a positive, and then y times y is y squared. And then x squared, these are like terms, so it's going to be minus 2xy plus y squared. So let's simplify 4x exponent 3 minus 6x squared plus 2. All of that is divided by 2x for 2 marks. And this is just extra information which says where x cannot be equal to 0. So they do this to try to confuse you and make you scared, but it's actually quite simple. You have to use a law which says all of this is basically the same as saying 4x exponent 3 divided by 2x minus 6x squared all over 2x, and then plus 2 all over 2x. So this is basically the same as that. So we're gonna divide the coefficients first. So 4 divided by 2, that is 2, and then x exponent 3 divided by x, it's x exponent 3 minus 1, it's basically 2, and then minus 6 divided by 2, that is 3, x exponent 2 divided by x, 2 minus 1 again, it's x exponent 1, okay, and then plus 2 over 2, that is 1, okay, all over x, and then you are done.